My dear littles, welcome to the world of mathematics. It's class 4th examination paper term 2. Class 4th, 12th August 2021. Now, please watch the video carefully, listen the questions carefully and solve. And please send me the answers till evening. Now ready? Question number 1. You have to write in words. 60,706, 70,062, 9,206, 5,20,020. You have to write in words. 1E1, 5 FIV5, 10 TEN 10, 100 HUNDRAD 100. So you have to write in words. Next question. Write in figure. 3,40,000. You have to write these numbers in figure. Write in ascending order. Ascending order. Smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. First of all, you have to write the smallest number first. As in question number 3, part A, 9020. 9020 is the smallest number. 9020 is the smallest number. Therefore, you have to start with 9020. In the same manner, you have to go for B. Now, question number 4, you have to write in descending order. Descending order, you have to write the greatest number first. As in part A, question number 4, part A. Now, you have to check which one is the greatest. So you have to check, so you find 6322 is the greatest, 6322 is the greatest. So first of all, you have to write 6322, 6322, and then you have to proceed further. Next question. Use the digits 5280, use the digits 5280 to write the smallest number of 4 digits. Question number 6. Multiply the place value of 2 in 729 and the face value of 3 in 135. Can you tell me the place value of 2 in 729? Yes, it is 2020. And what is the face value of 3 in 135? It is only 3. You have to multiply. And please write the language properly. Question number 7. Write the missing numbers in the following. You have to find out the pattern. 8310, 8309, 8308. It may be ascending or descending. It may be in minus or it may be in plus. Then you have to find out the pattern and then you have to write the next 3 numbers. Question number 8. Write the greatest number of 7 digits. Write the greatest number of 7 digits. 7 digits. 1 digit greatest number is 9. 2 digit greatest number is 99. 3 digit greatest number is 999. In the same manner, you have to write the greatest digit of 7 digits. Greatest number of 7 digits. Question number 9. Write the smallest number of 7 digits. You have to do it yourself. Question number 10. The product of the place value and face value. You should know what is place value and what is face value. 3. The place value of 3 in 78,310 is 300 and the face value is 3. You have to multiply. Question number 11. Find the quotient when the place value of 6 in 5986 is divided by its face value. You have to find out the quotient when the place value of 6 is divided by the face value of 6. You have to, first of all, you have to find out the place value of 6 and then you have to find out the face value of 6 and then you have to divide it and then you have to find out the answer. Okay, now go for the next number. Question number 12. The product of the place value of 5 by the face value of 9. You have to find out the place value of 5 in 1253, 1253, and you have to find out the face value of 9 in 9078, and then you have to multiply the both. Question number 13. Write the successor. What is successor? Can you tell me? Write the successor of 269 divided by 9. Successor means plus 1. You have to add 1 in 269 and you have to divide it by 9. Question number 14. Write the predecessor of the place value of 9. You have to write the predecessor. You have to write the predecessor of 9. Predecessor of the place value of 9. First of all, you have to find the place value of 9. First of all, you have to find the place value of 9 in the number 9037. You have to find out the place value. Place value of 9 is 9000, and then you have to find its predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. Okay, my littles, it is question number 15. It's a word problem. There are 2783 male members and 5398 female members in a labor union. How many members are there altogether in the union? First of all, you have to decide what to do. Either plus or minus or multiply or divide. What you have to do? Here you will go for addition. But please write the language in a proper manner. Now fill in the blanks. It's a funny question for you. Comes before 7063. What comes? What comes before? What comes after? And then think and write the answer. The same question is there, E, F, G, H. There are 6 more parts of that question. Now question number 17. Write 8 multiples of 9. You know what is multiple? Multiple is a number which falls in the table of that number. 8 multiples of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. So 9, 18 and 27 are the multiples of 9. You have to write 8. You have to write 8 such multiples and write all the factors of 9. What are the factors of 10? 10 is divided by 1, 10 is divided by 2, 10 is divided by 5, and 10 is divided by 10. Then the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. In the same manner, you have to write the factors of 9. See, write all the prime factors of 9. Prime numbers are the number which can be divided by 1 and itself. Is 2 a prime number? Now you have to find out whether it is a prime number or not. Is 809 a composite number? You have to find it yourself. Composite number, the numbers which can be divided by more than 2 numbers. ऐसे numbers जो कि 2 नंबर से ज़्यादा नंबर से डिवाइड किए जा सकते हैं या जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं. Question number 18. How many wheels are there in a dozen tricycles? Tricycle means 3 wheels. 1 dozen means 12. How many 5 rupee pens can you buy in 15 rupees? 15 रुपए में 5 रुपए वाले कितने पेन खरीद सकते हो? Question number 20. How many times is 20 bigger than 5? How many times? Simply it is division. Divide the place value of 2 by the face value of 4. Divide करना है किसको? Face value of 4 को किससे करना है? Place value of 2 से. Now you have to add the product. First of all, you have to find out the product of 51 and 27 to the quotient. किसका क्वेश्चन निकालना है? 1440 divided by 60. So first of all, you have to find out the product of 51 and 27, and then you have to divide 1440 by 60. Then you have to find add. You have to do addition. 51 and 27 product. 1440 divided by 60, you have to find its answer, and then you have to multiply both. And now then you have to tell, in the third part, you have to tell, is the sum an odd number or an even number? Whatever the result you get, that is even number or odd number. Decade. If I tell one decade, so it means 10 years. If I tell century, then how many decades are there? You have to find out it. In century, there are 100 years. Now, 78 people contributed rupees 125 each for the earthquake relief. 78 people थे, उनमें से everybody paid 125 rupees. Then how much was the total collection? You have to find it. You have to go for multiplication, but please write the language in a proper manner. Now, write. It is very simple question. Write 8 multiples of 7 between 15 and 85. 8 multiples लिखने हैं 7 के. Expanded form and compact form, you can write it yourself very easily. Question number 28. Successor of 800 minus 70. First of all, you have to solve 800 minus 70. Then you have to write the successor. Successor means plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. First of all, you have to add 500 plus 99, and then you have to minus 1. Question number 30. Write the number 100 more than 34900. I don't know what to do. You have to solve it yourself. Come on, use your brain. Come on. Question number 31. By how much is 98720, 98,720 greater than 89,293? What must be added to 79,415? What must be added? What must be added to 79,415 to make 1 lakh? 8. You have 8 rupees. 8 का 10 करने के लिए how much money do you need? You will go for subtraction. 10 minus 8. You need 2. You need 2 rupees more to make 8 10. Write 3-digit greatest number. Now you have to decide whether it is 111 or 222 or 333 or 444 or 999 or 888 or 111. Okay. Now write 5-digit smallest number. 5-digit smallest number. 11111 or I don't know. You please think it yourself. I don't know. Now you have to write 6-digit greatest number. You can write it. This is a new question. Write 6 rational numbers between 1 and 10. Write 6 rational numbers between 1 and 10. 1 and 10 के बीच में आपको 6 rational numbers लिखने हैं. One is a natural number, one is a whole number, and one is a rational number also. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q. 1 can be written in 1 upon 1, and 10 can be written as 10 upon 10. So there you have to write 6 rational numbers between 1 and 10. Just write simply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your problem is solved. Next number. (37). Write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 10. आपको 3 और 10 के बीच में 6 रेशनल नंबर्स लिखने हैं. प्लीज राइट इट योर सेल्फ. इट इज वेरी इजी. 3 after 4 after 5 after 6 you can write it yourself. Now this is the question, slightly tough for you and slightly new, 100% new for you. Write one rational number between 1 and 2. 1 और 2 के बीच में रेशनल नंबर लिखना है. तो what will you do? Add 1 and 2. 1 and 2 का एडिशन कितना हो गया? What will you get when you add 1 and 2? 3. You will get 3. And you please divide it by 2. 3 upon 2. So one rational number between 1 and 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Answer. Now a square has a perimeter of 80 centimeter. What is the length of the each side? A square has 4 sides. And you know all the 4 sides are equal. The perimeter is the sum of the length of all the arms. Perimeter of a square is, या perimeter of any figure is the sum of the length of all the arms. That is called perimeter. And you know a square has 4 arms and 4 arms are equal and all the 4 arms are equal. Then you have to find out the length of one arm, one side. A square, question number 40. A square has a perimeter of 82 centimeter. In the previous question it was 80 centimeter. Now it is 82 centimeter. You have to find out what is the length of the each side. Simply you know this thing very well. A square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. When the length of all the 4 sides is given 82 centimeter, then you can do it by, I don't know. You have to do it yourself. Okay. Please WhatsApp the answers by evening. Please WhatsApp the answers by evening. Now the paper is over. You have to start writing the answers. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.